Hello mga ka-basic. So for today's video, at naman pong pag-aaralan yung equation of a circle. No? So sa equation of a circle, and in order for us to find the equation of a circle, gagamitin natin yung tinatawag na standard form ng equation ng circle. And ano ba yung standard form na yon? So the standard form is that the square of the quantity x minus h plus the square of the quantity y minus k is equal to r squared. Wherein, yung hk na yan yung center ng circle. And yung r is the radius of a circle. So, basic na basic, like for example, the equation of a circle with center at 2, 7, and a radius of 6 units r. So, let us have x minus yung h natin, ito yung hk. Okay? So, we have x minus 2 squared plus y minus 7 squared is equal to, ang radius daw natin ay 6, so we have 6 squared. So, ito siya, yung equation of a circle. So, another example, paanuhin natin siya. Mag-level up tayo. So, level up. Okay, so example number 2, we're going to determine, sabi dito, determine the center and the radius of the circle the square of the quantity x minus 2 squared, the square of the quantity x minus 2 plus the square of the quantity y minus 4 equals 25. So, paano daw natin ma-determine ang center and the radius of the circle? So, sabi natin, di ba, standard form, ano yon? The square of the quantity x minus h plus the square of the quantity y minus k is equal to r squared. So, meaning to say, so, ang center natin is that x minus, so, ito yon. So, hk eh. So, ito yung ating h, ito yung ating k. So, therefore, ang center natin is what? Positive 2, positive 4. Now, ano ngayon yung radius? So, ito, di ba yung x minus 2 squared plus y minus 4 squared can be written as 5 squared. So, ano ngayon yung r natin? So, yung radius natin is that is equal to 5. So, ito yon. So, 5 squared is equal to 25. So, ito po siya. Ito yung center, ito yung radius. Okay? So, next natin. So, level up ulit tayo. Okay, so like for example, so example number 3. Okay, so what is, sabi dito, what is the center and the radius of the circle x squared plus y squared minus 6x minus 10y plus 18 is equal to 0. So, what is the center and the radius of the circle? X squared plus y squared minus 6x minus 10y plus 18 is equal to 0. So, the first thing na gagawin natin, yung constant term, lipat lang natin sa kabila, and then, eto, yung mga variables, pagsamahin lang natin, combine lang natin. So, dito, pwede nating x squared minus 6x plus y squared minus 10y is equal to yung 18, lilipat, magiging negative 18. Okay, next na gagawin natin is that we're going to divide, no? Yung coefficient ng x. So, yung 6 dito. So, di-divide natin siya by 2, and then yung sagot is squared. Okay? So, divided by 2, then squared. So, gawin natin. So, ito ay 6. Meron tayong 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3. Then, 3 squared is equal to 9. Okay, yun yung coefficient ng x na yon. Then, yung coefficient naman nito, so let us have 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5. Then, 5 squared is equal to 25. So, ano ngayon yung mangyayari dyan? So, magkakaroon tayo ngayon ng x squared. Kopyahin lang yon, minus 6x. I-add yon, plus 9. Ayan. So, meron tayo nito. Plus, ayan. So, eto, we have y squared minus 10y plus 25 is equal to negative 18. Okay po. So, ito na ngayon tayo. Next one. So, gawin natin to. So, magiging equation ngayon natin is that, ito, dinivide din natin to by 2. So, yung negative 18, dinivide sa 2, magkakaroon tayo ng negative 9. So, ito magiging negative 9. So, didivide natin siya by 2. Okay, I stand corrected. No, i-erase muna natin to. So, tama naman yung ginawa natin, no, mga ka-basic. So, erase muna natin. I stand corrected. Ito po siya. Ayan, so sulat muna natin, sulat muna natin. So, ang mangyayari dyan is that, ito muna, x squared minus 6x plus 9, ayun yun. Then, plus y squared minus 10y plus yung 25 is equal to, ngayon, nag-add tayo dito sa kabila, mag-a-add din tayo sa right side. So, 18 plus, negative 18. Ang inad natin doon is 9. Plus, ano pa inad? Yung 25. So, mangyayari dito, we have, na natin siya ha. So, let us have x squared minus 6x plus 9 plus y squared minus 10y plus 25 is equal to, ayan, negative 18 plus 9 is negative 9. Negative 18 plus 9 is negative 9. Ito, negative 9 yon. Plus 25. So, negative 9 plus 25 is positive 16. So, ayan na. So, tama na tayo, no? Kinorek natin yung kanina. So, ito, factorable to. Tama? So, ano yung factor niyan? We have x minus 3 squared plus, ito ay y minus 5 squared is equal to, ang 16 can be written as 4 squared. Alright? So, therefore, ano ngayon? Ito na ngayon ating standard form. So, ano ngayon ang ating center ng circle? So, ang center ng circle natin is the 3, positive 5. Ang radius natin is positive 4. So, ayan na. So, ito na yon. So, nasagot na natin yung tanong dito na what is the center and the radius of the circle x squared plus y squared minus 6x minus 10y plus 18 is equal to 0. So, ang gawin lang ninyo, sundan lang lahat yung ginawa ko dyan, and that's it. Mga ka-basic, see you again sa ating next lesson.